This is a quick preview into the Manchester themed townhouses by Provident on IVC Road. As you know, location is everything, so let's understand the location. School of Ancient Wisdom is 6 minutes away, Clark's Exotica 13 minutes drive from the property, Padukone Dravid Center of Excellence 16 minutes drive from the property, D-Mart for your convenience 20 minutes away. IVC Road also houses a lot of other builders, like you have the Shobha Lifestyle, Shobha Oakshire. Phoenix Mall of Asia would be 35 minutes drive from the property. So a quick Nandi Hills drive would be around 48 minutes. So explore this Manchester themed townhouses from Provident, and these townhouses are private garden, or a lot of people love to have a backyard grow their own vegetables and hands-on gardening. This is a great option. So each unit consists of 3 units. Ground floor, first floor has 2 units, and the first floor units have wonderful large living balconies open to sky, tile